What's up, guys? Welcome back to another dishwasher video, apparently my new favorite kind of video to film for y'all. So today I'm going to teach you how to clean your Whirlpool filters. There's two of them. I previously had a GE dishwasher, and if you want to see how to clean the filters in that one, I will link the video down below, but today we're focused on Whirlpool. So this is my new dishwasher. And yes, with young kids, I've already had a problem with stuff getting clogged in the filter, which means hard for my dishwasher to drain. So I got down here and I was like, how in the world do I get this guy out? So here we go. This is the filter. So it's locked right now. You can see it says a lock. So you just twist it and you pull it up and you can see, I literally just cleaned it the other day. It is already getting dirty. Oh, and there's chunks of like broccoli or something in there. Okay, so that's one thing that I gotta clean. And then, get that out of the way. I got it. All right, and then this itself right here is actually another filter that you're gonna wanna go ahead and clean too. So, you can see that this one already has chicken in it. And I just cleaned it. Again, I like to clean my filters probably about weekly, just because I have young kids. Sometimes broccoli, chicken, big chunks of stuff get stuck in the filters. And you can also check down here. You can see, I got a nice, like, I don't even know what this is, olive or something floating up in here. Disgusting. All right, so there we go. That's how you take these two apart. And then to put them back in, I still got to clean these, but I'm going to show you how to put them back in. You slide this guy back in there. Make sure it's snug. You see how this part is popping out? You got to make sure it's nice and snug in there, or the other piece won't go in very well. Thank you, Lily. Got my helper here helping me holding the flashlight, handing me pieces. Then get this guy in there, and you're going to turn it to the left where it says lock, and now it doesn't come out. So there you have it. That is how you take out and clean two filters in the Whirlpool dishwasher. I hope this video was helpful. I will link my other 3 dishwasher videos in the description box below, so be sure you check them out, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.